I'm gonna tell you a true story. My son started working, and I told him, I said, okay, you have to contribute to the household. So I'm gonna let you pay the light bill. And if you wanna cut that light bill down, then you have to control these lights. Well, he really did a good job, because one day we came from church and the whole entire house was black. We couldn't see nothing. No light switch was turning, no lights on or anything. He had taken all the light bulbs out the ceiling. Yes, out the ceiling. And we couldn't see anything. And so I said, well, what's going on with the lights? He says, I'm controlling the lights. And at that point, I had to just shut up, because those were my words, and he actually did what I said. And he learned how to manage that light bill, and he got that light bill down, okay? And that taught me this lesson that I'm teaching you. A child shall lead you, okay?